Play this.
Learn the survival secret that bears have mastered for thousands of years. Bears don't actually hibernate. They enter torpor, a deep sleep state where their heart.
Do you know how creators are pumping out short form video content without ever hitting the record button? Now, everyone knows it is AI, but the question is, which tool are they using to generate such short form contents which look real? Welcome to day 232 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a tool that's quietly creating viral content which we are seeing on a day-to-day basis. That's called Captions.AI, and it's not just meant to create captions. This tool helps you create a full video using AI avatars or turn your text into viral shots and even create a digital clone of yourself with your voice. So let's jump in and see how we can turn ourselves from zero to hero. And to begin, let's head over to Captions.AI. And of course, you can book a demo call. But let's get started and continue with Google. Oh yeah, I have to accept the terms and conditions and continue with Google. Select your account, click on continue. Oh no, okay. The last step was not required. That's good. And we can see option here where we can create videos. So I'll put a very simple prompt. Why do bears hibernate? And that's the topic for our video. Okay, I'll click on continue and it's asking us what is the AI actor that we want to choose, right? We have all the models here. Okay, let's go with this person. I'll click on continue. It first generates the script for us. Learn the survival secret that bears have mastered for thousands of years, right? So it has got some details about it. I'll click on generate video and you can see that already 22% done. It generates super fast. Let's wait for a few seconds. And there you go. We've got the video ready. So let me click on it. Let me play this.
Learn the survival secret that bears have mastered for thousands of years. Bears don't actually hibernate. They enter torpor, a deep sleep state where their heart rate drops to just 8 beats per minute. Why? It's all about survival. During harsh winters, food becomes scarce, so bears evolved this incredible adaptation to conserve energy. Their metabolism slows dramatically, allowing them to survive for months without eating, drinking, or even urinating. Their bodies recycle waste and maintain muscle mass while burning stored fat. Even more fascinating, female bears give birth during this state and nurse their cubs without waking up fully. Nature's ultimate survival strategy. No food needed for up to 7 months.
Wow, I'm impressed both with the video and the ability of bears to remain without the food for 7 months. Okay, let's get back. So, of course, we can upload the images if we want. We can upload the clips, right, which gets used in this short form content. We can upload the sound. Right now we can see that it is being powered by 11 laps. We can also upload music if you want, and it is powered by Sound Drop. Voice, we're using Brandon for now. We can also choose a different voice if you want. Let's go back to home and let's check out what is AI creator. There you can see that we have prompt to video, AI ads, and then custom. Prompt to video is something that we just used, where you just give a prompt and it will create a full video for you. Let's check out AI ads, where we can paste the link of our products. So let's see if it can generate a video for a digital product. Okay, we had a 3 months cohort on how to build web apps without writing code. So I've given a link to that. As you can see, it has fetched the product name, No Code App Development Cohort by ABCD. and it has also given some description. English, target audience, describe your audience. Let's put students, professionals, and business owners, and select your script. So as we can see, this is a 3-step process. So product review, I tested ABCD by Rate 7 to see if it lives up to the hype. As a skeptic, I was blown away. In just 3 months, I went from zero coding knowledge to building my own app. The expert-led cohort, hands-on experience, and supportive community made all the difference, right? So this is the script that we've got. 3 benefits, another script. We've got problems and solutions. We have target audience based script. We have FOMO based script, attention grab based script, and so on and so forth. Let's go with FOMO. I'll click on edit style. Of course, if you want to use your own script, that is also fine. We have creators, right? This creator, we have one more creator here, one more, right? A lot of them basically. And you can also select the caption template, whether it is this or this or this or this or so many more to select from. I'll go with the second. I think it quickly grabbed my attention, so I'll go with this one, generate ads. And again, we'll wait for a few minutes, because last time I remember that I told a few seconds, but it took actually 3 to 4 minutes. So initially it starts very quick, like we can see it's already 5% done, 11%, but it takes time to finish it. Let's see. And there you go. So it has generated something. Let's see what it has done for us. And it's not just generated one.
Have you heard about ABCD by Rate 7? It's blowing up. This 3-month cohort program is revolutionizing no-code app development. Learn Bubble from experts, design stunning UIs, and launch your app in just 12 weeks. Whether you're a student, professional, or business owner, ABCD empowers you to create tech solutions without coding. Join the no-code revolution starting January 2024. Have you heard about ABCD by
Okay.
Have you heard about ABCD by Rate 7? It's blowing up. This 3-month cohort program is revolutionizing no-code app development. Learn Bubble from experts, design Have you heard about ABCD by Rate 7? It's blowing up. Have you heard about ABCD by Rate 7?
And the 5th one.
Have you heard about ABCD?
So basically it's the same script, but the person is coming from different angle and speaking about it. It looks good, but maybe people will be able to understand that this is AI generated, but that's still good. Better than not having anything, right? Now let's go back to home and check out other things, right? So AI creator, this we have covered, this we have covered. This, if you have your own script, then you can just use this and select your models and it will generate the video for you. We have AI edit here, where you can upload your video and it will edit for you based on your selections. You have AI shorts here, where you can actually upload your long form content. Okay, let's try this out, right? So I'll go to YouTube, one of our videos, let's say this one, share, copy the link, come back, paste. So what it does is actually understands the entire video and allows us to create short form content. So what it actually does is understands our entire video and creates short form content from it. So it's asking us if it should be 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. Let's create for 60 seconds, right? How to turn your $1 idea into $1 million business plan using AI. Okay, so template, we have a lot of templates available, right? Million, focus, hustle, energy, Met USA or something, buzz, and so on and so forth. So let's go with this one, which was by default, generate AI shot. Let's see what it generates for us. I'm mainly curious to understand what will be the flow, what will it capture from the video, and if it will have a hooking statement and the remaining part of the short form content. Let's see. And there you go. So if you open it up, so as we can see, we have got 3 shots available. Let's quickly check this.
Welcome to day 214 of the 1000 days of no coding challenge. Today we are exploring Comet AI, an AI tool designed to Welcome to day 214 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Today we are exploring Comet AI, an AI tool designed to generate comprehensive business plan, detailed evaluation, and polished pitch deck, all using AI. Comet AI stands out by helping you step by step in the entire process of generating business plans, making sure you include all the important details even if you are not a business expert. So let's see how Comet AI will help us in this journey. So to begin, head over to prometai.app and click on Try Now or Login. And we will continue with Google. Select the account and click on Continue. Welcome to day 200.
Okay, let's check this out.
Okay, so you can see that it has generated a wonderful presentation for us, right? Along with images and all of that. Okay, so this is business plan and valuation presentation. If you go to the next one, okay, that was just a tutorial for us. I'll just click on Hype. Okay, and there you go. So if I go to the second one, okay, it gives us all the content of this particular pitch deck. Okay, click on OK. And once you see everything, you can go back to input section. So whatever we mentioned,
So it's basically broken down our bigger content into 3 smaller content. I would have expected something different, but some people might like this. Let's go back, and we have AI twins where you can actually create your own avatar. So here you can actually record a video or upload a video, and it creates a AI twin basically to create your videos with your own voice. We have Brandkit, which is actually taking us to Social Studio for I don't know what reason. Anyways, we have Profile and we have API dashboard, which means you can also use their APIs. The wonderful part about this is Social Studio, which is mind-blowing. You can see, let AI plan, generate, and post your social media videos. Paste in your website and Captions will create an automatic posting plan with personalized generated videos. Wow! They have also come up with something called Mirage Studio, which me and my team has not yet explored. We will explore and probably make a video on this separately. Honestly, this AI is wild. It's so powerful. It can generate all sorts of videos that we want to share on our social platform. Sometimes tools are hyped up, but this one actually delivers. So if you have been wondering how creators are getting millions of views, then this is what they are using. So do give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. And please do not forget to share this with others. We need all of your support to make sure that we keep creating such videos. If you don't like it, please do let us know what can we change. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.